And first run the command sudo apt-get update. Now type your password and enter. Wait, this command have to complete it successfully. If it prompted for the option yes or no, then type S, Y for S, and just press enter. So I am resuming this video because this will be lengthier. So after completion of this command, I will be come back. Now run the next command sudo apt-get upgrade. When we going to configure the Gromacs, we have the certain pre-required packages, and these packages are C compiler, cmake, build essential, fftw library, doxygen, and regression test packages. So what are these packages? Here a brief introduction, that is C++ is a compiler to make binaries file, and build essential is the essential packages needed to compile a desired package, Fourier transformation libraries, and de facto standard tools. So these are the packages which are required to compile the Gromacs. So one by one, we are going to install these packages. First of all, we have performed these two tasks, and now we have to install the compiler C++ or C by this command. Just copy this command, write in terminal press enter and wait. Since I already installed this software, that's why it shows that the version of software and zero upgrade or zero newly installed. But in your case, it will be the fresh installation. So go to the next command, just copy and press enter. So it will install cmake. So wait for the installation. I am pausing the video. Installation of cmake is successful since I already installed the version 3.1.16.3. So we have to move towards the next command, and in a typical case you may also note the path. So just type here pwd and note your path. So in this case, my path is /home/Vijay, since I already mentioned it here, /home/Vijay. So your path may be different. Just note it, and this path will be used in future. Now installation of build essential, just copy this command or type sudo apt-get install build essential. Just press enter. Since installation is going on, that's why. Okay, let us finish this because I already installed, so it says it is the newest version. So move towards the new command. During this installation you have a good internet connectivity, otherwise you may face the problem. Now the installation of Fourier transform library, just type sudo apt-get install, sudo apt-get install lib fftw3-dev. So just type here sudo apt-get install lib fftw3-dev and press enter. In this case, the installation may going on, and it do not taking much time because I have pre-installed these softwares and it already, so this is the newest version, this. So in your case this may take some time, so wait for your time to completion of the command or installation and move towards the next command. Now next command is installation of doxygen. So just type sudo apt-get install doxygen, sudo apt-get install doxygen. As I previously told that the installation of this Gromacs is quite different from the typical installation of Gromacs as given or mentioned in the Gromacs website, because in my previous video I never talk about the installation of doxygen, but here I am talking the installation of doxygen. So remember this. Now just move towards the next command, installation of, sorry, unpacking of and downloading and unpacking of regression test. Since I told that the regression test for the older version is not given to the latest website, so you have to search in a specific manner, and you can search in like this manner, index of. So just go to search window and type index of regression test Gromacs. Just hit enter. Scroll down. Oh, let us change the this searching tool to Google. So after changing the default search engine being to Google, just type index of Gromacs regression test download and go to the website index of regression test. Since I am using are going to install Gromacs 2020 version plain, not 0.123, so just download the regression test of that version. So this is the regression test for the version. Just right click on this and copy the link. Okay, now go to the Ubuntu terminal and just type wget space and paste the link and download the file. So it is taking approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So I am pausing the video and again resuming when the download will be completed. Here you see that the download of regression test is completed 100% and the file is written in your home folder. So just type here ls command and list the file you have downloaded, that is the downloaded file. So this is a tar.gz file. So you have to untar this file. So untar this file using the command tar tar dash xvzf and write the name regression regression test /2020 dot tar dot gz and press enter. Oh, sorry, this is typographical error. This is regression tests. So this command is untarring your whole folder or unzipping the file. So you have we have to wait until this untar will finished. Just wait. Now the untarring is finished. Just note the path by typing pwd where these files are written, that is the pwd, or first type the ls and list the file. Just you can see here the folder regression test 202 is being made by the tar command, and this is the folder. Okay, so what is the path of this? You can type and pwd and note this path, because this path will be used by us, and here in my case it is /home/bj. Now next is the download of Gromacs 2020. So we have to go to the index for Gromacs. Just go here and go for the version 2020 Gromacs and right click on this and just copy link. Now go to the Ubuntu terminal and download by using wget command, wget command. Just type wget and space and paste here your link and press enter. It will download the Gromacs 202 tar.gz. So I am again pausing the video and resume this video after the completion of download. Now the download is completed, and this can be seen by just typing ls command, and this is your Gromacs. Okay, this is your Gromacs 2020.tar.gz file. So untar this by just typing the tar command, that is the Gromacs dash 2020 dot tar dot gz and just press enter. Now the untarring is finished. So we have to move towards the next command. Just type ls and see where the folder is formed or not, or untar is completed or not. So you saw that the Gromacs dash 2020 is here. Now just type cd Gromacs dash 2020 and press enter. Go inside the directory by cd command and make a folder called build by typing mkdir space build and press enter. Again go inside the directory you have created, and this is the build. Now we have to compile using make command. So what is the basic differences between these routine installation? Just see here, I am showing what is the basic difference in. So here I am going to show the basic difference. Just type Gromacs installation and press enter. This is the latest manual, and you can also go for the older manual, but routine installation only comprises these two command, that is the degradation test download on, but we are going to proceed with the manual degradation test installation because we are going to download configure the older version. And fftw, you may choose on or off both. If you have pre-installed, then you may put as a off, but you may also on it. It does not make any basic error. Just see the here is only two command, but in my configuration I am showing you these are the total commands which we have to perform. And what are these commands? First is own fftw library on degradation test download off, because we are going to provide the manual downloaded degradation test, and we have downloaded it in into folder home vijay slash degradation test 2020. Okay, your path, this will may change as per the pwd command, as I show you to the uh, previously, as I told you previously. And here the dash dc make install prefix, it is used to install Gromacs at a specific place. So in my case I am going to install Gromacs in opt folder, making a different folder opt. And I am doing this because the uh, this website, basically the g underscore mmpbsa website is, just see on this website, because in this website the all thing is being configured in a different folder. Okay, so if I told you how to configure, then it will be fine. But when you forget this, then you will search opt slash Gromacs, opt slash Gromacs, and you find that you are making a error. That's why I am going to perform such type of installation which is explained on this website. Okay, so we are going to install Gromacs on slash opt folder, means opt folder, and this folder will be your root fs directory. Okay, where your home user etc folder were made. So let us make clear it. Now next is GPU. So this calculation is only run on the CPU, that's why the GPU is off. Next, use of TNG type of trajectory is because it sometimes create error. So you may put on, but when you are using ABPS 1.4 version, if you are using ABPS 1.3 version, then it will be off for better option. So put it off for better option. Next, MPI support. It does not support MPI. So MPI is off. And now the most important option is install legacy API. If you are not going to on this one, then you will be suffered. So these are the total changes which are made by me by searching different website and talking to different peoples. Just copy this command and paste on the terminal. Okay, and now press enter. So I think it will take too much time, and till time no any error came, that's why I am going to pause my video, or wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and after I will pause the video and resume the video on the completion of this command, because this may take 2 times and video will be lengthy. If any error will came, then I will explain how to remove it. Just see here from beginning, and I'm going to show that from this command, and these all are going to be run, and the configuration is successfully done. As I'm going down to down, just see here, and in last you get a message: build files have been written to slash home slash switches slash gromac 202 build folder. So the configuring is done, generating is done, okay, and everything is almost get successfully written. So we have to go towards the next command, and the next command is sudo make. So just type here sudo make, and this command also take too much time to write the repositories. So we are going to, sorry, I am going to pause this video and resume after the completion of this command. So take a coffee break. Well, after a long back, approximately wait of 1 to 2 hour, and the process which I have type a command, that is sudo make, is being completed, and now we have to move towards the next command, and that is the sudo make check. And this command is run to check whether any binary composition will be left or not. So this is just a checking command. You may also skip this. Now I can also show you the how much time and what the processing it takes. The you can see that by scrolling this one, it takes too much time to complete this command. Okay, well, here I type the command sudo make, and it takes approximately more than 1 hour or 2 hour, approximately 2 hours to complete this command. But the target build is written successfully without any error. It is very pleasant for me. So just type the next command sudo make check and press enter. And type the password. Now wait for the completion of this command. It takes approximately less time because it only check for the target build trajectories which are written in build folder. If few are missing, then it will correct and install or write this directory to the build folder. So I am again pausing the video and resume after the completion. Now after a long wait, the sudo make check command have completed, and it passes all test, and 100% build target were checked. So we have to also cross check that these tests are passed or not. So I am going to scroll up and down. Once, just see here, it passes all test, and also build the some repositories or binaries which are missing. So you can see here 1 to 71 binaries are built very fast, and after that it takes some time to build up to 100 and cross check it to 100 and go for the tests. So now it is time to run the final installation step, that is sudo make install. So just type here sudo make install this one. So this is the last step to install the Gromacs with modified configuration. So just press here enter, and since it is a long time back, that's why it is asking for password. Just enter your password and press enter. Now it is building and copying the target directory to this opt Gromacs folder. So it is taking a little bit time, not too much. That's why I'm not going to pause the video. Okay, well, now you can see that the installation I have completed. In the after this, we have to check this installation. So there are two way. First to close the terminal and wait for the updation of binaries to the .bashrc file and reopen the terminal. But here I am going to check without closing the terminal. So just type here source. Now our target files are written in slash ops gromacs. Okay, so we have to write here slash opt gromacs bin gmxrc. Okay, just see here, this is quite different from the step or command given in website. And in website you find that the command is this one is given. Just one second. Just see here source user local gromacs bin gmxrc. Okay, so right now here I am typing source opt gromacs bin gmxrc and now press enter. One second. Well, so do not show any error. That means the configuration is built successfully. Now you can type gmx to uh, find whether the installation is successful or not. Just type gmx and press enter, and now you find that the all versions in its report about the gmx were going. Now our version is gmx 2020, which I am going to install in from beginning. And now where it is installed, you have the options to change its location, and you can install with certain modified. So it say that executable is written here, data prefix is here, and working directory is this one. So since we do not give any command to gmx,